today, we're gonna share the number system conversion together with my team. I am Desiree P. Abales. I am Desiree Abales. I am Anthony J. Navarro. And I'm Norby Jason Fontes. I am Rosemary Sobremega. It's showtime!
Hello, Madlang people! For today's video, we're gonna convert decimal to binary. And here are the given. 55 base value of 10. So atong buhaton, first atong move, ang 55 divide nato sa 2. Kaya anong tuman? Kaya ang binary is 2. So, let's go. But 55 divided by 2 is equals to 27 remainder 1. Anong remainder 1 man siya? May dili siya? So, dili siya haom o dili siya kanang sulod, no? So, next step. 27 divided by 2 is equal to 13. 13 remainder 1, no? And next, 13 divided by 2 is equal to 6 remainder 1 again. And then next, 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3 remainder 0. So, continue na to siya kung makasya ng human. So, 3 divided by 2 is equals to 1 remainder 1. Pagin siya ng human. 1 divided by 2 is equals to 0 remainder 1. So, para mag-get na to yung final answer, ikan sa ubos pasaka. Ibana na siya. So, the final answer is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Binary. And here are the final answer.
Binary to decimal. The simple rule is from right to left. So, we're gonna bring down the 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And we need to use a multiplication sign with the times. So, times, 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 there, times. Okay. So, since yung base value is 2, so we need to put that number 2 over here. 2. And the right that is the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1 times 2, the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4. And 0 times 2 to the power of 3 is 0. Because anything na times or minus or everything na mag-use ka mga kuan is the answer of the 0 is 0 because 0 is the least. So we need to put 0 here, there. And 1 times 2 to the power of 4 is 16. And 1 times 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So, simple lang siya guys. So, we need to put, we need to add all of those answers, which is the 1, plus 2, plus 4, plus 0, plus 16, and plus 32. Okay. So, 1 times, 32 plus 16 is 8 and 48, right?
Correct.
Okay, plus 6 is 54. Plus 1 is 55. So, those 55 is the answer for this lab. So, just like that.
Okay, so here, we're gonna convert the 55 to hexa. So first, you must write the 55. Then we're gonna look here. We're gonna put 421, 421, then 421. Make sure that you will cancel it so that mukagap ka sa answer nga 5. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So we're gonna cancel the number 2. Here, we're gonna put the 1 and 1 that you cannot cancel. So 1, 1, 101, 101. Then after this, you're gonna group them into 4. So 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, just like this. Like this. Then 0, 1, 0, 1. So there's no any more numbers, so you're gonna put a 0. 0 so that all were same, number 4. And then after it is, you're gonna write 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. It's because we're on here in hexa, so you gotta cancel the all the number 0. So 2, and then this number 2 is gonna cancel, so add them all. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 13. And then we're gonna find the number 13 here. So it's letter D. So let's convert them to 2D. So our final answer is 2D. Hexa is 16. So our hexa is 2D16.
But now people, for today, I'm gonna execute the base and the digit of the binary, decimal, octal, and hexa. First is binary. Binary, the base of the binary is 2. And the digit is 0 and 1. For decimal, the base is 10. And the digit is 0 to 9. How about octal? The base of octal is 8. And the digit is 0 to 7. Now, how about the hexadecimal? Base is 16. And the digit is 0 to 9. And A to F. Anong na may letter, ma'am? Of course, ang A is nag-represent sa 10, B is nag-represent sa 11, C, 12, D, 13, A, 14, and lastly, letter F is 15.
Ang aming maikling video tutorial tungkol sa number system conversion. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!